Hi, my name is Rishabh, co-founder of HiveBotics, and we are building autonomous robotic bathroom cleaners. Now, you must be wondering, why is there even a need for such a system? Well, cleaning operations in commercial buildings are becoming extremely challenging. For example, in a typical hotel, there is only a short 3-hour window between check-in and check-out, of which half the time is spent just on toilet cleaning alone. Meanwhile, managers also have to deal with high staff turnover rates as much as 40% and rising costs, which make up to 60% of cleaning expenses. This leaves behind a grave challenge to fund and retain trained and efficient manpower. This is why at HiveBotics, we have come up with the Abluo bot. Abluo, which stands for cleanse in Latin, aims to reduce room cleaning turnaround time by up to 40%. Our Abluo bot can automatically perform tasks like toilet bowl cleaning, mirror wiping, and sink cleaning all in one system. With it, a human cleaner can focus on completing remaining room tasks like replacing bed sheets or replenishing consumables and only has to do minor touch-up in the bathroom after Abluo has done most of the job. While this increases the human worker's productivity significantly, let's not forget that Abluo doesn't have to be paid CPF, bonuses, or overtime as well. Now, all of this is made possible thanks to our patent-pending technology, which covers our proprietary cleaning tool management system, as well as our computer vision algorithm, which is the secret sauce behind our robot's autonomy. Compared to our competition, who either use a multi-function jet spray, which is inefficient, water-intensive, and messy, or a single-function cleaning robot, which does not cover all the cleaning needs, Abluo offers for a full spectrum of cleaning operations that is fast, thorough, and reliable using our contact-based approach. As for our business model, we intend to sell our robots directly or have them on lease on a monthly basis to high-end hotel chains and cleaning contractors who also provide us further access to commercial buildings market like malls and offices. In fact, the total business opportunity in our region alone is of $512 million. As for our traction, currently we have secured 3 letters of intent from prospective customers and are also in touch with 2 prospective technological partners. Regarding our team, both I and my co-founder have strong engineering and business background and are backed by really experienced advisors who are guiding us every step of our way. At this moment, we are looking for commercial partners who want to test and purchase our product, collaborators who share the same passion for robots as us, as well as investors to help us fund our vision. With that, thank you, and join us to bring a future where robots do what we shouldn't do.
All right, that was Rishabh Patwari, Chief Executive Officer of the company. But I am speaking today with Tuan Zung Nguyen, its Chief Operating Officer. Hello, Zung.
Hi.
Okay, I've got some questions for you. So, we know that bathrooms are different. In hotels, they are luxurious, and in malls, they're a little bit more basic. So can HiveBotics robotic systems adapt to all sorts of different bathrooms?
So our robot actually have 2 technological innovation that addresses this issue. So firstly, you have a pending computer vision patent that is backed by machine learning algorithm, which allow us to detect various bathroom features no matter the design. So we also have an universal tool management system, which can support many different cleaning tools and can be customized based on our customer needs. So together, this system allow our robots to be configured to any bathroom environment and clean any toilet features that our customer want.
Okay, that's a relief to hear that, Zung. So there is a prevailing notion that, adopting robotic solutions is quite expensive. Is it then cost-effective for companies to adopt HiveBotics systems in homes, in companies, in malls?
So a lot of people actually ask us this question as well. So at the moment, we actually have cost and accessibility in mind from the very beginning when we design our product. So we plan to offer our robot through both direct upfront sale and monthly leasing options at competitive pricing when our customer actually will enjoy cost saving as compared to having to hire extra manpower. In the long run, we do have plan to miniaturize our robot further and find a price point that is mass market friendly. So don't worry, one day you'll definitely see Abluo running around in your home as well.
Thank you very much. And we've just heard from HiveBotics, Tuan Zung Nguyen and his colleague Rishabh. Thank you.
Thank you so much.